I'm ready to begin the third section of my mystery crochet along. So I'm going to tie color C to my crochet hook. You can use a square knot, slip knot, whichever works best for you. And we're going to join it with a slip stitch to the first stitch at the beginning of the row. Okay. Our setup row starts with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and you want to work 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Row 1 begins with a chain 4 that counts as a double crochet chain 1. Turn your work. Work 1 double crochet in that same first double crochet. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1, skip 5 double crochets, and in the next double crochet, work double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Our repeat for this row is chain 1, skip 5 double crochets, and work double crochet, chain 3 double crochet in the next double crochet. You want to repeat that across to the last 6 stitches. At the end of the last repeat, it's chain 1, skip the next 5 stitches, then work double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the last stitch. The last stitch is that chain 3 that counted as a double crochet at the previous row. So you're going to want to work double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the top or third chain of that chain 3. So it's double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 1. Row 2 begins with a chain 3. Whoops. Row 2 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Turn your work, and you want to work 3 double crochets in that first chain 1 space. Then we'll skip the next chain 1 space, and in the next chain 3 space work 7 double crochets. And our repeat is to work 7 double crochets in each chain 3 space across. At the end of the last repeat, you want to skip the next chain 1 space, and in the last chain 1 space, work 4 double crochets. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 2. Row 3 begins with a chain 4, which counts as a double crochet chain 1. Turn your work and work a double crochet in the first stitch. Chain 1, skip the next 6 stitches and work double crochet, chain 3 double crochet in the next double crochet. If you're unsure which stitch we're trying to work into, we're trying to work into the center double crochet of the 7 double crochets in the previous row. Our repeat for this row is chain 1, skip the next 6 stitches, and double crochet, chain 3 double crochet in the next double crochet. You want to repeat this all the way across. At the end of the last repeat, chain 1, skip the next 6 double crochets and work double crochet, chain 1 double crochet in the third chain or top chain of the chain 3. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 3. You want to repeat rows 2 and 3 for your desired length, or to do this pattern, you want to for rows 4 through 9, you want to repeat rows 2 and 3 more times. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 9. Row 10 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Turn your work. You're going to work 1 double crochet in each chain and 1 double crochet in each double crochet across. So we're in the next chain 1 space, it'll be 1 double crochet, In the next double crochet, it'll be 1 double crochet. In the next chain 1 space, 1 double crochet. In the next double crochet, 1 double crochet. And in the next chain 3 space, it'll be 3 double crochets. And so you just want to do 1 for 1. If it's 1 double crochet, you work 1 double crochet. If it's a chain 1 space, you work 1 double crochet. And if it's a chain 3 space, you'll want to work 3 double crochets. You want to repeat this all the way across, and at the end of row 10, you will have 37 double crochets. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 10, and again you should have 34 double crochets. This completes the third section of our mystery crochet along, and if you're doing it in multiple colors like me, you'll want to fasten off at the end of this row. If you're doing it all in one color, you will not need to fasten off at the end of this row. And next we'll be working on our fourth section.